Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. Guys, I just want to share my 2 cents nyana on this issue yaga Limpopo boy and Umatidi. So guys, I really don't understand how people operate these days. Like, you know that you are cheating, you know what you are doing is wrong, and then you decide to take a video. I really don't know whose idea this was, but it was such a bad idea. And as you can see on this picture, the video seems like it was posted by Ulimpopo boy, you know. And then at first, when people saw the video, he said that it's AI, it's AI. And then he released a statement, guys. On the statement, he was not denying anything. He said that Jayena, the video was not posted by him and it was posted without his consent. He did not deny Guti, hi guys, I don't know this person, wara wara. And you can tell Manama videos were AI and real videos. You can just tell, you know? So just a little bit of background Rihanna for those who don't know. This is Limpopo boy and the girl on the picture with him is Umatidiso, who is said to be a married woman, a married girlie. And then there's a video that was posted near account yaka Limpopo boy of them having it cloth. You know, just a background story for those who don't know. But I didn't explain here because I thought a lot of people know this, but let me just explain. Uh, they were doing it cloth on the video, you know, and then it started get trending and all of that. And Ukel, this is Ukel. She is said to be married, guys, married to this the guy in the picture with him. There are also pictures of a Lobola day when they were getting married. And I don't know, I'm not sure of the timeline, but people say that these people have been married for 4 years, guys, 4 full years. And guess what? Girl, before she got married to this guy, she was a bottle girl. So I don't know, maybe they met there at the club, Zini, or maybe Shem, it was just a genuine thing, you know. So allegedly, guys, allegedly, there are videos of her on TikTok. She was a bottle girl, and it seems like she is still a bottle girl, judging by the comments, because people were saying, this guy was supposed to, you know, like talk to the girl after getting married. With babe, you need to find a new job. This job, I don't like it for you, you know, I don't like it for you. Or maybe help her to get a new job. You know, you can't be married to a bottle girl. So it seems like she was still a bottle girl and she seems to be enjoying it, guys. You can just go and check her videos on TikTok, because I didn't want to put those videos here. But she's just dancing there, wearing very, very short things, and you can see her body is giving, body is tea. She is just there, and you're wearing a tights, lawa short, when like dancing there in the clubs. Udunusela bantu. At some point, there was a video where, guysini, like I really don't know what this guy was thinking. For real. And they look so good together, you know. We love to see young people getting married, but yo, sana udunusela nje abantu, you know, like udunusela some random men in clubs. And guys, in Shema is really bad, you know. This the husband even ended up deactivating his Facebook account because of the shame that he was feeling, and I'm sure people were taking him under these videos, you know. And people are saying, no man, this could be a content stand. You know, someone commented on Twitter and said, hoping it is not a content stand. These days we don't know what to believe. Anyway, let's pray for his peace and healing. And then someone also commented and said they must go for counseling. Mamloile Umatidiso, because they saw she was happy in her marriage and want to destroy that. He must not give up on his wife. Finish and clar. And I like this advice because this is the advice that they always give women when they are being cheated on. They are always telling you, no, begezela, begezela. So I don't know, guys. Please let me know what do you think of this in the comment section down below.